Hello everyone, I'm very excited. I have just got this box with obviously a sewing machine inside it. My son and daughter have just bought it for me, so I'm just about to unbox it. And I've never made an unboxing video before, but I thought I'd have a go. I've got lots of sewing machines and the family's got lots of sewing machines, including one that goes back to 1893. So let's have a look and get on with it. I've got to say, I've never heard of this name before, and it looks like it might be a three-coloured machine, but it looks like it does lots of things. Oh, it looks like it's got lots of embroidery stitches on it as well. How great! So lots and lots of bits. That's obviously the socket. That's a nice long foot lever. And lots of instruction books. Oh, that's very cute. There's a starter kit with the embroidery thing on the back. I haven't got a Toyota machine. We've got various Singers. We've got a Jones, that's my oldest machine, that's from, I think, turn of the last century. My son's got some that are very old. That's the warranty. Yeah, lots of bits. So this is a Toyota Oekaki, and that's the instruction manual. And that looks like the cover. And an accessories catalogue. Have a look at that bit later on. Now I've got to get this bit out. I'm going to need to ask for some help here because I've got really bad arthritis. Okay, I've just had to get some help to get it out because it's quite heavy and bulky, and I've got bad arthritis. Wow, what a colour! Oh, that is lovely. Because all my previous machines have either been sort of like creamy colour or black with the gold from where they're so old. But this is very exciting. Lots of bits. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have a look in a minute. I'll finish freeing it from the plastic. Well, that's stunning to look at, isn't it? Oops. So that bit comes off. Oh, that's nice. It means I can do sleeves and trouser legs. And there's a button here. Got to find out what that is. So this obviously, from the noise of that, contains lots and lots of things. And bags of feet and needles and bobbins. So there you go. That's the Toyota Oekaki Renaissance unboxed.